guys, welcome back to the motherfreaking Chanel. Today I have a really fun video planned for you guys doing some kawaii nails using all these amazing Jelly Nails goodies. Jelly Nails hooked me up with some of her kawaii charms and some of her best-selling products. So look how cute these charms are, you guys. Like this little whale. I was just smiling and so happy because if you know me, you know I love kawaii, I love anime, I love Hello Kitty, all of that stuff, and these charms are just to die for. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got in the little package that they sent over. These charms are all different sizes, various sizes. They are such good quality. Not one thing came chipped or discolored. And I was just very, very surprised of the quality of these. They also are really price friendly, and there's just definitely something for everybody. I also got some little puff balls, some little magnet puff balls. They are really good quality. Like I said, they didn't come smushed or, I didn't have to like fluff them up. They just bounced right back up, and I was really surprised and pleased about that. So yeah. These are their little chains. I didn't use these today, but I have some really fun ideas in my mind that I'm going to be using them. They're super long, so you could cut them down if you wanted and put them on short nails, long nails, whatever you wanted. So some really cool stuff is this gem cluster adhesive. So first of all, the packaging is just so adorable. Like if I had my own brand, this is totally the aesthetic I would go for, but we're gonna open it up. It comes sealed, and it's this really, really thick, kind of cool consistency. And what it's used for is, for instance, you would take these chains and you would dip the entire chain inside of the gem adhesive, and then you would put it on your nail and cure it. So it would be encapsulated on your nail, be stuck nice and good, and I just think that's such a cool product. Also got two of these little charm boxes. There is a baby blue one and a pink one. They're easy to open and stay very secure, and it's going to be perfect to put the kawaii charms in. I love the two colors. And then we also got this little other dish that you would use for charms, and then some gel glue. This is my favorite product by far. I use this in today's video, and I will get a little bit more in depth to it in a minute, but it has a nice little applicator on the bottom. It's UV LED to cure it. And then here are some really cute nail stickers, all different kind of Hello Kitty ones, pastels, more brighter colors, and I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do a set of Hello Kitty inspired nails, and you best believe I'll be using these stickers. I also got this gem adhesive gel. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you will know that Jelly Nails was one of the first companies to work with me when I was a baby channel. And this is one of the products that I got, and I love it. By the way, how cute is that heart bubble wrapping? Anyway, it is a precision gem glue applicator, and it's really tiny, and this glue rocks, you guys. First of all, it is so price friendly, but I love it. And so if you guys want to go shop over on Jelly Nails, make sure to use code SLAYBYJ for 10% off. You guys all know me and supporting small businesses, and this company is definitely one of those that you're going to want to support. Okay, so let's jump into this tutorial. Here are 4 acrylics that I actually made. I was going to use them today, but I didn't. This is a Model 1's one, this is a Zulays nails one, and this is a not polished one. So this acrylic application is going to be a little interesting. This color is Sugar Effect, and it said 2-in-1 acrylic dipping system, I think it said. And I'm going to be doing the LazyGirl method today with my Nail Couture acrylic brush and my 3XL full cover gel nails. So this product didn't work. Like, it was so weird, you guys. So this acrylic is one of the ones that came in my nail swap box that I did with Nails by Joel's. That video will be out in a couple of days, but this is one of the products that she actually gave me for me to keep, and so I was doing some swatches with it, and when I swatched it on the nail stick, it worked out fine, right? But you guys are gonna see, like, I don't know. Can someone tell me what this product is? I should probably look it up, honestly, but it did not work like acrylic works. Like I don't even know how to explain it, you guys. Like it would not dry. Usually when you do the LazyGirl method with acrylic and once you're done and you apply them to your nails, like your nail is like rock hard. Like the nail is very hard, like the full cover nail. And I'm gonna show you a clip in a second, but these nails were so bendy and this product is falling out like all over the place. Like even though I have these nails on, like the product is still falling out like on my clothes. Like it's so weird to explain. It's almost like sand. It's like wet sand is the only way I can explain it. So I don't know. I feel like either it's just too much glitters in here and so it wasn't able to be like a proper acrylic, or I'm using it wrong, or it's for nail art. Like I don't know. So if somebody knows what this is, please let me know, because the color is so beautiful and I was kind of going for this kawaii set and I wanted it to be super fun and sparkly. And so originally I was gonna have the nails be all of this color, but it just didn't work. So I took this Zulays nails one, it's called Glass Iridescent, and I end up putting this on the middle finger and the pinky, which I'm actually really glad I did because it kind of gave the nails like a, you know, just like a little more fun look. So it ended up working out in the end. I was actually really happy that this is what happened, but I just am really like, I don't know, like this product worked amazing. This is my first time using Zulays nails and it made me want to go buy all of the acrylics that she has available because they're just stunning. This was so clear. It looked like, you know, crushed up glass, and the mylar flakes in it were just so pretty. And yeah, that not polish acrylic made me sad because I'm like, is this how all the products are? Like, is it me? Is it user error? It has to be the acrylic because this one ended up working perfectly. So I'm not sure, but so far not a fan of not polish, but definitely a fan of Zulays nails. So I'm gonna get all these nails on. I'm doing the LazyGirl method with the acrylic, as you can tell. And okay, you see this nail? It doesn't bend. Like I can't bend it. This one was like a trampoline, girl. Like it was so bendy, and inside it just kept coming off, and that's not supposed to happen with acrylic. Like as you guys know, it dries bendy. Like what was going on? Anyway, the nails are all applied and I'm just going to do some quick buffing and filing. I was really worried that I was going to have to start over with this set just because of how weird this acrylic was. So again, if anybody knows, just let me know in the comments what is going on with this not polish stuff. But yeah, just taking a file and I'm just going to gently round around the cuticles and make sure it looks nice. You really want to do this so they don't look like press-on nails, but here are all the nails filed and buffed. They're looking so cute and fresh. And now I'm just going to take some top coat and drench these babies in top coat, and then I'm going to cure that, and then we'll go in and do some fun nail art. I will have everything linked below. Every single thing I use in today's video and everything I showed as well will be linked below. So please go support Jelly Nails. You can use my code SLAYBYJ, like I said, to get 10% off. But it's just a brand that I really stand behind, and like I also said, they've been supporting me literally since day one, and that just means a lot. And it's just fun to grow together. So yeah. Plus, you guys, the products speak for themselves, and these charms you guys are gonna see the ones I put on today are just so cute. So let's get that cured, and now I'm gonna go ahead and glue the little puff ball. This is my first time using these puff balls. Can you believe that? So taking this gel glue, I'm going to put a little dot of it on the back, and this product was, this is my go-to. One of the reasons I loved it so much is because a lot of the nail charm glue that I use, it makes your charms like slide around. Like they don't stay in place, and it can get really frustrating quick when your stuff doesn't stay in place. And girl, this stuff did not bulge. Like wherever you put your charm, like it is not moving. Look how cute this little guy is. So one of the things that Jelly Nails recommended to me is gently buffing the back of your charms before you glue them to your nails. Especially when you wear big charms like this, they can fall off easily. So if you buff them before and then you put your glue on, the glue will get in the little cracks of the buff and they won't come off. Another reason I love this product so much is because charms hang off on the side, and so you would take it and you would fill up all of that side of the charm so that it doesn't get caught on anything. And I just think that is so cool. I didn't do that today with this set because I'm going to be saving these charms because I want to reuse them, and I just didn't want to get them like all full, you know. But if you're going to be wearing like a Kawaii set for like a good 2-3 weeks, you definitely would want to take some products like this and just fill up all the edge of it so that first of all it's clear, it doesn't ruin the charm, but second of all you can get you can get under there and it won't get caught on stuff. And so I just love that, and the fact that it doesn't bulge anywhere. Like, you can put your charms anywhere you want, even these heavy ones, and they're not gonna move. Like, I was just so impressed with it. So I definitely recommend this product by far. So look how cute this little gummy bear is. I think he's so adorable. I'm gonna get that cured, girl, and then I'm gonna be pretty much done. Short and sweet, right to the point. Wanted to showcase all of these beautiful Kawaii charms, what they deserved. Putting some cuticle oil, just gonna rub that in and get a few shots of these gorgeous nails. I hope you guys like them. I'm not really one to wear stuff like this, but these charms are just so cute. Like, I guess I have never had charms that I wanted to wear, and these just spoke to me. They blew me away. I feel like they were literally made for me, and I hope that you guys like this set. It's so fun, so girly, and seriously perfect for spring and summer, hot girl summer. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much, Jelly Nails, for sponsoring this video, for hooking me up, showing me love. I love you, Jelly Nails, and I hope all you guys go and try them. And yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.